In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your products in Shopify using CSV files easily. Whether you're setting up a new store or updating an existing one, importing products via CSV can save you an enormous amount of time and effort. It's a versatile tool that allows you to upload numerous products in one go, eliminating the tedious task of adding each item manually one by one. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Products tab located in the sidebar on your left. Clicking on that will take you to the main Products page, where you'll see an option labeled Import. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on that button. Now, before you can proceed, you need to ensure your CSV file is correctly formatted. Shopify provides a template CSV file which you can download and use as a guide. Make sure your file includes all the necessary product details such as titles, descriptions, prices, and inventory quantities. It's crucial to remember that the first row must contain the column headings exactly as in the template for everything to map correctly. Once you've prepared your CSV file, click on Choose File from the Import page and select your CSV file from your computer. If you're using a Mac, keep in mind that it may be stored in your Downloads folder. For Windows, it could be saved on your desktop or Documents. Wherever it's stored, just make sure it's the correct CSV file you want to upload. After selecting the file, you'll notice an option that says Upload and Continue. Clicking this will start the process. Shopify will then take you to a new page where you can review your import. Here, it's essential to ensure that all the columns from your CSV file are mapped correctly to the appropriate product fields in Shopify. Sometimes, you may need to tweak the mappings if they don't automatically align the way you expect. Take a moment to double-check everything, so there are no surprises afterward. With everything looking good, the next step is as simple as clicking the Import button. This will begin the process of adding your products to your Shopify store. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so it's a great time to grab a cup of coffee or check your email. Once the import is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating the number of products successfully imported. Don't forget to preview some of the products directly within your Shopify store to verify all details have been correctly imported. And there you have it, you've successfully imported your products into Shopify using a CSV file. This process not only saves you time but allows you to manage your product data more efficiently. With consistent formatting, you can easily update and maintain your inventory, making your e-commerce operations a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!